Introduction. Node.js was developed in 2009 by Ryan Dahl. It's a runtime environment that allows JavaScript code execution on the server side. Node.js is built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. The latest version as of this writing is Node.js 16.3.0. Features of Node.js latest version. Stable timers promises API provides an alternative set of timer functions that return promise objects. Node.js 16 ships with V8 9.0, which includes performance tweaks and improvements. Node.js 16.30 comes with pre-built binaries for Apple Silicon, allowing Node.js to run natively on Apple's new M1 chip. Code example. A simple code example was provided demonstrating the use of the new Timers Promises API. This API is used to pause the execution of code for a set amount of time. Tips and tricks. Always handle your errors and callbacks in Node.js. Utilize the async await syntax for handling promises for cleaner and more readable code. Use the Node.js built-in debugger or other external tools like Visual Studio Code for debugging your Node.js applications. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Avoid callback hell by using promises or async await for handling asynchronous operations. To prevent blocking the event loop, always use non-blocking code as Node.js is single-threaded. Unhandled exceptions can crash your Node.js server, so always handle exceptions and add an error-handling middleware in Express.js to catch and handle all errors. Conclusion. Node.js is an evolving platform with constant updates and improvements. It's important to stay updated with the latest version and its features. The best way to learn is by doing, so practice by writing some Node.js code using the latest features.